All right, so hopefully that was easy to understand about how to draw hair. If you think about hair as a type of veil that just drapes over the face, and then you're cutting it to the style that you want, it helps better easily three-dimensionally understand the hair, especially when we get into other views of the face like the side view and the angled view. What I'd like you to do for this exercise is start out with that veil, actually draw the veil, and then cut it into the hairstyle that you're trying to get, and then draw the hair. Remember, you're breaking hair down to basic parts. You have that front part, you have that middle part, you have that back part. When you break it down this way, it makes it much easier to draw hair. All right, so that's it for this exercise. Draw at least a few different hairstyles and make sure you get a feel for how the hair works in this method of drawing hair. I find it to be the easiest method for myself, especially when drawing from imagination, which is often what you have to do when drawing comic books. All right, so once again, start drawing.